I'm giving away free Ancestry DNA kits, no strings attached. And if you've been trying to figure out where you come from, this could really help. To enter, just comment giveaway below. That's it. And if you want, tell me a little bit about who you're hoping to find or what you're trying to figure out. I read every comment. This is for you if you've been looking at your DNA results and nothing makes sense, or you're adopted, donor conceived, or just trying to understand your biological family. And DNA testing is the only logical choice from here. My name is Jenna, and I run Mystery Match DNA. I help people take their DNA results and actually turn them into answers, figuring out how their matches connect and what their family tree looks like. I'll be choosing people at random to receive a free DNA kit. And for some of you, I may offer to help you walk through the results and actually trace your family tree, so you're not trying to figure it out all on your own. And I may feature part of these journeys, only with your permission, so others can see what's actually possible with this process. Now, none of this is at any cost to you. I'm going to be choosing these names at random over a period of time. This process completely changed my life, and I just want more people to experience what's possible with DNA and to see what can actually come from it. So if you know somebody who's trying to find their family, send this video to them. I want this to reach the right people. So again, just comment giveaway below. I'll be announcing the winner soon, so you don't want to miss it.